We do have some eventful weather. This is the thing. If you're trying to avoid precipitation, you're fine as long as you wait until tomorrow afternoon if you're traveling tomorrow on Christmas Day. The problem is that's when the powerful winds are going to kick in. So we've got two things going on here. Precipitation coming in late tonight until late tomorrow morning, and then very strong winds tomorrow afternoon. And then once we get through with the storm and the big wind, then bitter cold air is going to take over pretty much for the rest of the week. It's right at the freezing mark in Boston now, and the wind is out of the north. Right now, if anything were to fall, it would certainly be in the form of snow, even in Boston. But I want you to notice a couple of things. Notice from Plymouth to the Cape, temperatures are milder, more in the mid to upper 30s. And notice the ocean water temperature is 46. Right now, it's a light northerly wind, but in Boston and along the shoreline, the winds will start picking up more out of the northeast to east later on tonight and very early tomorrow. And that, with an ocean that warm, is probably going to also contribute to rain falling mostly along the shoreline. Okay, now also notice it's milder near the south coast of New England, but if you look at Worcester, north and west, it's cold, and that's where it's going to be mainly a snow event. Again, the winds are light right now, but they'll start to pick up. So later on tonight, on tour after midnight, snow will be overspreading the area, but it will be a mix of rain and snow in Boston, eventually probably going to rain, and rain down on Cape Cod. The average temperature tonight will be 32 degrees across the region, but if you break it down, you'll see that it's above freezing along the South Shore and the Cape, but below to the north and to the west. All right, so here's what's coming. We have one storm actually across the Midwest, but a second center is developing over here. And we're starting to see the merging of the precipitation areas. It's this area right in here that will start to move northeastward and overspread our area late tonight. So here's the overview of how it happens. As the storm comes up the coast, look at the rain snow line. It's literally right near Boston as we get to very, very late tonight, very early tomorrow morning. It may actually tilt a little bit north and west before collapsing closer to Boston, but by then the precipitation will be ending in the late morning. Now, I do see as much as 4 to 7 inches possible if you're north and west of Route 495, as well as being north of the Pike. The main time frame for the precipitation, roughly starting 11 p.m. or midnight, and pretty much a done deal by 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Here's a closer look. See the rain coming up from the south, the snow from the southwest. With that rain snow line just a little northwest of Boston, the milder ocean air is keeping the temperatures above freezing in Boston and points south. But Worcester, north and west, that's where it's colder, and that's where you're going to get mostly snow. Might get a bit of sleet mixed in, so that's why you can see why I expect the heavier snow amounts to be there. Maybe an attempt to flip to snow at the very end late tomorrow morning, but precipitation will be ending at that time. Then it's going to be all about the intensifying wind tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So in and around Boston, I-95, possibly no accumulation to an inch or two of slushy snow. But once you get between 128 and 495, could be anywhere from 2 to perhaps a maximum of 4. But I think that 4 would be along 495, and it's beyond that, 4 to 7 inches with the higher elevations getting the highest amounts. So tomorrow, it's an AM mix overall. PM wind, look at those gusts, 40 to 60 miles an hour. That's what we're talking about tomorrow. These will be high temperatures around the very early afternoon, but cold air will start to flow in after that. All right, when you check out the next 7 days, wow, we have tomorrow as an impact day because of the morning mix and the afternoon wind right on Christmas Day. And then look at those temperatures. We could be averaging near 0 for a low on Thursday morning. And although I have Saturday as the day that's most likely to have snow, I could see that being as early as Friday or as late as Saturday. One of those 2 days likely to have some snow. So that's how things are looking. Nicole?
All right.